Don Moody here of handymanreality.com. I picked up this plastic welding kit from Home Depot, and of course it's available from www.notaglue.com. It's a pretty interesting way to put together plastic. Now my TV has a problem where the bezel is broken. I sort of received it that way, and I'm just too lazy to send it out and deal with all the shipping and everything. So I'm going to use the Bondic. I take off the cap and I apply a layer to the bottom or one side of what I'm going to glue or attach, pardon me. Kind of a plastic welding type of a deal in a way, and it's an interesting plastic weld in the way of it uses a UV light of sorts, and I will show you right away. So I need to turn my light on, attach my part to where I want it to be, and then just shine the light on it. And you'd be amazed how quickly the weld actually happens. Like I am. I can pick up my part. I've repaired the casings on phones, on tablets, all kinds of things with this this particular method. I've been amazed. And what it says on the package it'll do is even more amazing. So I have a couple of these tabs broken off, so I'll show you one more. So I'll apply the, I don't know what we're supposed to call it, the compound to one side, and I will apply it to the other side as well. I just put a thin layer. I'm just used to always putting glue and adhesives on both sides of whatever I'm going to secure. So I will put my part in place. And now you'll see it doesn't actually glue. So I could pull it up, put it back. And what I want to do is find the sweet spot of exactly where it came from. And then I'm going to turn on the light. I'll make sure that I don't shine the light on the compound until I have the part where I want it to be. I've even found that I could add additional support, but one wants to be careful trying to add additional supports, because you might make a part, say, too thick or too fat to fit back in where it came from. So, this has been Don Moody of handymanreality.com, working with the Bondic plastic welder, I guess you could call it. Liquid plastic welder is what they call it. So you can see I can pick up my part again already. So it's almost an instant weld. Thank you very much, and you have a great day now.